Okay, well, we're getting there. I don't know if we can see on the front or not. We'll go around to the front though as well. Okay, well here it is. One thing I learned on my trip is the way the bed was, it was too high, and also the way this comes in because of the top. I struggled with a comfortable place to sit that didn't hurt my back. So I knew that when I came back here that I was going to be doing this. I did add this, it will be blue before long. We're going to put a piece of balsa, and we put a bracer on just on top of the wheel well. It's kind of wasted space in there. There's not much room. I don't know if you can see it. There's really not much room to, yeah, you can't see it, to do anything. I can put things like my walking poles and that in there. But this, what I'm going to do is get a piece of 1/4 inch, put it on, make a hole on the two sides so I have a bit of a cubby. And it's going to be for stuff I don't need a bunch of access. This shelf still has worked out well. The other thing I learned is I overpacked. I didn't know what I needed, and this was my first time going. A lot of the stuff off the side of this thing is going. It's not going to be there hanging, so I'm going to make better use. I'm going to have shelf there. But in here, I'm making like a bench. It's going to be a little taller over there for my toilet, but I'm making a bench here. The fridge is going to go into here. And it's going to be the same as this bed. So this will come over. And if I need a little bit extra, it goes onto the bench. So I'll just show you what we got. Now I have not secured this down yet, so, but here we go. And there we go. So the game plan is that this won't always come out all the way because the bench is going to be there, and this will sit on the bench.